So which topic we were talking about? The topic was
Demand.
demand, right? Who is making demand on whom?
Department
Is
is
there
making
on?
demand. Department is making demand.
We can say government is demanding. Some payment. Right? On what account? This is due to, what are the reasons for the demand?
Import or export.
Duty, short paid, not paid,
Yes,
short levied, non-levied.
due to duty, short
Erroneous refund.
or interest. Either short paid or not paid, or it is short levied or non-levied, or this is erroneously refunded. तो गवर्नमेंट पैसा मांग रही है, किससे मांग रही है? Any person who's liable to pay the amount of duty or interest, short paid, not paid, short levied, not levied, or the person to whom any refund has been given by erroneously. He may be importer, he may be exporter, he may be somebody else. Right? So we'll not use the word importer, exporter. Whosoever is liable. Right? So quite possible that the buyer claimed the refund has been given to him for which he is not entitled, then the provisions are applicable to that person. Okay? So government is demanding some payment due to duty or interest being short paid, not paid, short levied, not levied, or erroneously refunded. Okay. Now, how come this mistake may arise? Why this can happen?
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call Tail Institute.